Maintenance. I just want to show you this real quick. I already fixed the problem. I just want to show you. I should have made a video. It's one of these Naviens. There's the model number. I'll leave it in this link in the description below. She was getting no hot water, so this is one of those tankless water heaters. So I want to show you something real quick. I unplugged it already. It was given a code of E110, which is, let me get this. There it is. It said abnormal air pressure. What I've been finding out about these, right up here, is the filter. You just undo that one screw, this slides out. I'm not sure if you can see, but see on the bottom there's the screen. When I took it off, it was clogged. There was no airflow. All I did is clean it. Now I'm putting everything back. I should have taken a video on how it looked clogged, but it was totally covered, the screen. So all it does is just slide right out. See how it's sliding out? And then you just slide it back in. So all I did is clear it, scraped it off, and I just ran it under some water. I totally gave it a scrub. Now I'm gonna put everything back together and fire it up. All I'm gonna do is put the screw on here and put the 4 screws back. Ran out 4 screws. That's it, and then I'm gonna plug it in and give it a shot. All right, I'm back, got the screws up top. Got the other screw up there. There's 2 on the bottom here. I'm gonna plug it in. It's going through its startup. Like I said, it was given E110. Sounds like it's about to work. These are pretty quick too, so not sure if you can hear that on the video, but it's already heating the water. It's doing its thing. Turned it up a little bit for him. It was too low. It was 110. Alright, it already stopped. Probably heat up that water that was in the pipes right there. How many is it hot? It's hot. Yeah? Yeah. Nice. While I was here too, since I was looking at this, I checked their filter, I pulled it, changed it out. This is part of my normal routine, count myself. But if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.